Okay, so for this next layout, I want to find a way to really use this laser cut here, and I've been thinking about it for some time. And then we were looking at this word paper, and I think it could be really cute to pull out the state. Now, the pictures that I'm about to scrapbook were done in Idaho, so Idaho will fit inside of here, and I'll probably maybe even pop this up or something and have some cute, I don't know, we'll decide that. But at first I wanted to show that to you guys. So just depending on what state you're in, you know, Dakota could fit. Not all of them, of course, unfortunately, will work. Utah, Arizona, and you could even do like a circle around it if you wanted to. Maine, Florida, that's close, it works. Arizona, we already did that one. Ohio, so you absolutely could do Ohio in there. And again, I wonder what it would look like. I'm gonna do that really fast. I'm gonna test it out for all of us. So, so for Idaho, I don't feel like I need to, but I was thinking what you could do is you could do like a circle around it, right? Actually, I'm gonna do Ohio because I need Idaho.
There's two.
Yeah, but I want it on the edge of this paper, so you could just do like a zig squirrely thing or something to kind of point it out, more like a sketchy look, or you can just leave it alone, which is kind of fun too. Actually, what if we took some of this glossy accent and try that? I haven't used this for a long time, actually. Boy, I'm pulling out all the stuff I haven't used for a long time out.
That might let Train Your Dragon.
Okay.
Number 3.
Okay. Okay.
The Hidden World. If you want to watch it. Might, if you want.
Might.
That's cute.
So this dries clear, so we could just do like a bubble around it. And we could see how it dries here in a minute. And we could even do the whole thing, but I kind of just want it to pop out on Idaho, you know what I mean? What do you think, Lace? We need to let that dry. We really don't need that there, so let's move that. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to dry, we went ahead and just dressed up the rest of our card. I will add journaling, but I just added a little twine. I'm gonna do pop-up because I want this piece to pop up around it. Actually, I need to add one pop-up right by the die cut here, the laser cut, just so that it really pops up around that word. And then we'll be able to lay that over like that. See how that will work, Lace? So that's with this glossy accents. Which I think we're still waiting for ours to dry, but I wanted to show you guys. And then this is if maybe you just did like a little messy sketch or circle around your word, which I think works as well. Or any other fun way that you can think of. You could highlight it red or blue, I don't know. Just thinking out loud. Trying to think out other way. I actually kind of feel like the glossy just adds a little bit more, but I'm not sure you really need it either. So say I went up here and just had that popping through again on your page, and we'll design up around it, of course, on our actual layout.